Welcome to Adobe Illustrator. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a logo in Illustrator and learn key features of the program along the way. You'll learn how to deconstruct a reference image, such as a photo or a scan of a sketch, into simple shapes that you can use to design and create a successful logo. Our example is a logo for a pizzeria, so you use this photo of a pizza slice as inspiration for the logo. A logo identifies a business, so it needs to be simple, appropriate, easily recognizable, and also memorable. It also needs to work across a variety of media and sizes. Illustrator creates vector graphics, which can be edited and resized without loss of quality, and is the perfect tool for logo design. To get started with the logo, you'll create a new document. So up here, choose File, New. In the New Document dialog box, make sure the Print category is chosen. You can then choose from a series of document presets here. Make sure that the letter size is chosen. In the preset details on the right, change the name to Side Slice Pizza Logo. Set the units to inches and change the orientation to landscape. There are a lot of other options you could set for a new document and even start with Adobe stock templates you can see here. But in this case, the default settings are what you need. So click Create. With the new file open, you'll save this design. So choose File, Save. Save it on your hard drive, and it should be named sideslicepizzalogo.ai. Make sure that the format or save as type is Adobe Illustrator, and then click to save it. Then click OK. To start with, you're going to reset the panels and tools called the Workspace to their default positions. So choose Essentials from the Workspace switcher here, if it's not already chosen. Then choose Reset Essentials from the same menu to ensure that the workspace is set. To make sure you can see the entire document area, choose View, Fit Artboard and Window. This white area, called an artboard, is similar to a page in Adobe InDesign, and it's where you'll put the content you want to print or export. First, you're going to place an image to use as a reference for the pizza logo, so you'll place it into the document. If you want to recreate the logo shown in this tutorial, you can use the supplied assets, or you can use your own image. So choose File, Place. Select this image from the practice files you downloaded from the tutorial page, and then click to place it. In the document, click over here to put the image on the artboard. With the selection tool in the Tools panel on the left selected, drag the image over here so it's out of the way, but you can still see it. You only need to use this image as a reference, so you'll lock it in place using the Layers panel. Open the Layers panel by choosing Window, Layers, or you can click the Layers panel tab over here. Layers are very useful in Illustrator because they allow you to separate and organize content, change how artwork is stacked, make selecting easier, and a whole lot more. To rename the default layer, double-click directly on the Layer 1 name and name it Reference. That'll make it easier to identify our content later. Press Enter or Return to make the change. Click here to lock the layer and the image so you don't accidentally move it. Now you'll create a new layer for the logo artwork you're about to create. Click the Create New Layer button down here at the bottom of the Layers panel to create a new empty layer above the original layer. Double-click on the layer name and name it Logo. Then press Enter or Return. Click on the layer name once just to make sure it's selected. That way, any artwork you create will be on that layer and is on top of the image on the layer beneath it. To save what you've created so far, choose File, Save. With the document set up, your layer is ready to go, and the file saved, you can start creating the pizzeria logo using shapes, color, and more.